Hi, you know what is computer? Computer is a very useful machine. It's used in almost everywhere, like in schools, like in hospitals, and also in banks and offices. A computer has some wonderful features that make it different from the human. A computer stores a large amount of information in its brain. A computer does not make any mistakes. A computer works very fast and can do many jobs at a time. And a computer does not get tired and can work for a long time.